Hi, it's me, Hannah, and today Jackson, Wyatt, and I are playing our very own version of Crime Scene Kitchen, the all-new competition series where America's best bakers think like a detective, but bake like a pastry chef. Don't miss the series premiere Wednesday after the season finale of The Masked Singer, only on Fox. So here are the rules. Jackson and Wyatt will secretly agree to a bake that they want me to make. Their job is to work together to start the recipe.
This is looking good.
And then leave 10 minutes in so that I can take over. My job is to figure out what they want based on the ingredients they choose and the clues they leave behind. What on earth? I can't even tell what any of this is. Sugar, flour, cookies. It smells like bread, but it looks like the beginnings of a cake. Wait, what the heck? This is brie cheese. What? Cheesecake. Cheesecake. Believe it or not, my kids are pretty bougie and brie cheese is their favorite cheese. So I wouldn't be surprised if they picked this as the crust, brie cheese, thinking that they're gonna make a cheesecake. And I would even go further to guess that it's a peanut butter cup cheesecake. I hope I'm not wrong. So the first thing I'm gonna do for this is get my crust made. And the crust is just sandwich cookies and melted butter. Then I'm gonna bake it a little bit to set it in, and it's actually really simple. So this is ground. I'm gonna add my melted butter and just mix it right here in the processor so that I'm not dirtying another bowl. Get this in. I like to take a measuring cup and I just smush the crust down into the pan with the measuring cup. While it's baking, I'll start the filling and just make a little wish to the universe that I chose the right dish and this effort isn't going to waste. Let's get this filling going. That was a lot more dramatic in my head. So I usually use eggs as a leavening agent in bakes to make everything super fluffy and super tasty. This recipe is making me feel like if I was on Crime Scene Kitchen, I would win. That's how confident I feel right now. I hope I'm not wrong. Okay, that looks gorgeous. Just take a moment to appreciate her. She's thick, she's creamy, she's beautiful. She's living her best life, and she's ready to become a real cheesecake. I'm going to add some peanut butter directly into the batter. I'm also gonna add brown sugar, and then we got a little salt. When you have sweet, always good to have just a little pinch of salt. It offsets everything so beautifully. We got heavy cream just to get that really nice texture, and then I'm just gonna put a dash of vanilla extract here. Let's mix this up. Don't wanna overmix the batter. Time to fold in the peanut butter cups. Take your rubber spatula, you swoop it across the bottom and you fold the batter over the top. Like, I just want to taste it. The most satisfying part is smoothing everything out, getting it out to all the edges. This is going in the oven for quite some time, and then it's gonna cool for quite some time, but it will all be worth it. So as you can see, my cheesecake has cooled to room temperature. It's settled a little bit, and it still needs to chill more in the fridge. So I'm gonna pop it in the fridge, wait to garnish it before I serve it to the kids because I want it to be perfect. I really hope I solved this mystery and I made the correct dish for the boys based on their clues, because if I didn't, that'll be a travesty. That'll be embarrassing and I'll be very sad. All right, are you ready to see what I made?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Ah.
This is just what we wanted.
Is that what you wanted?
Only a crust on the bottom.
Oh, I got a lot of crust in mine.
I can't taste the brie cheese.
Well, can I tell you a secret? It's not brie cheese in a cheesecake. It's cream cheese in a cheesecake. So how do you think this was? How did it turn out? Do you think I followed your clues pretty well?
Yeah.
I'm super relieved because you guys, I wasn't sure.
But it's so obvious.
This was a lot of work, you guys. Cheesecake cheers. No brie to be found in this. Oh, did you eat it already? So don't miss the premiere of Crime Scene Kitchen Wednesday at 9/8 Central, only on Fox.
I'm the best chef, Wyatt.